To create a shortcut to a program or file or folder, just right click and go to New and then click on Shortcut and click on Browse and navigate to program or file you'd like to create a shortcut to. In this case, we are creating a shortcut to the File Explorer. So go to this PC and then the C drive and then the Windows folder and look for Explorer and then click on it and click on OK and then click on Next. And you can leave the name as it is or you can change it to whatever you'd like to and click on Finish. So after deleting the shortcut, so you can see that the program is still there. It's just deleted the shortcut. Another way to create shortcuts is to right-click on the program or file and choose Send to and then click on Desktop. So that will create a shortcut to the File Explorer. Hold down the Alt key and drag an icon to the desktop or any other folder in which you'd like to place the shortcut, and then release the mouse button first and then the Alt key. Copy the selected program or icon by pressing the Ctrl+C or just right-click and choose Copy and then right-click on any empty space at the location where you'd like to place the shortcut and choose Paste Shortcut. There are a few icons that Windows creates by default, so you can choose to display or hide them using the desktop icon settings window. To display the icons, right-click on the desktop and click on Personalize and then go to Themes and to the right, click on Desktop Icon Settings. Here you can check or uncheck the boxes depending on which icons you want to be displayed on the desktop. So let's check 3 of them and apply and OK. These are only shortcuts, not the actual programs, so you can delete them anytime you want. But the recycle bin icon does not have a delete option. So if you want to hide the recycle bin, you will need to go to the default icon settings window and uncheck it there. Thank you for watching.